like 4 or 5 families here have been hanging out. I don't even know how many kids. Tons of kids. Before we head out of Valdez, Corey has told me it's a pretty epic area I need to check out with him, so we're gonna, of course it's by kayak over here by this glacier. Now Marissa and Jesse, on our gear video, if you watched that, already went out on paddleboards, but they didn't know about what Corey's told me about, so I'm hoping we can find what we're looking for. So we're taking these K2 Explorer kayaks. These are 79 bucks on Amazon. So like, you could order one of these for 79 bucks, ship it to Alaska if you didn't have a kayak, experience this, like free shipping in a week. I don't know how they're, like it'd have to cost more than 80 bucks to ship one of those. It just blows my mind. Even if you only use it once, totally worth it. And we're off. I shouldn't have brought my selfie stick, but I thought I might hit a point where I might be cool to get higher up. This is actually, this is very difficult to use one hand with the oar and film this. Alright, we're gonna have to get some momentum here. I'm just gonna have to sit this down. Oh, that is cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. So cool what you can find in your backyard. We didn't know this was here, right? We thought there might be something in here because we knew there were tours, but we just didn't know. Look how blue it gets. Do you remember the reason why the water eventually turns this blue color? Like what's going on? It's usually this blue color. What turns on?
Rock flour.
Rock flour?
Yeah, caused by the glaciers running down the mountain.
Ah, okay, okay. And then, so once that settles, it turns into that turquoise. It's so beautiful in these lakes we see. Kayaks were definitely quicker for this.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna go see the cool thing.
Oh, the cool thing? This isn't the cool thing? This is definitely one of those places where I wish I could like have the feeling and the cold air blowing off of this on me and I just can't capture it all in video. Just can't. It's just crazy. Oh man. I mean, it's just, it's just, and everything. It's just all around us. Like you turn around, I mean, this is Valdez. It's just nuts. I mean, I thought I'd seen glaciers and mountains and crazy.
She wants to move. Yes. Looking for trouble, honey, is it you? Feel the world under her feet, all the cracks up in the concrete. Take a step back, she's coming through. Baby looking shady, she's on the run. Maybe she'll find the sun.
So if you're coming into Valdez, you've got 2 different waterfalls. There may be more than that, I don't know. This is Horsetail Falls. We are debating on staying here tonight. Isn't that crazy? You can just pull over and stay here. So basically any pull off in Alaska like this that doesn't have signs that say no overnight camping, what we've been told is it's totally legit. You stay the night. This could be our sound tonight as we go to sleep. But if we don't stay here, we're gonna have full hookups. We haven't had full hookups, I think since Fairbanks. It's been a long time. So I'm not sure which we're gonna do. But pretty cool. What's your vote, babe? Stay here, get the full hookups.
This is beautiful, but having full hookups is beautiful as well.
Beautiful-er.
It's been a long time coming, so.
We like to leave everything flexible. If you saw our drive in here, we couldn't see much of anything. It was raining, it was misty, couldn't see the mountains. From what we understand and what we've seen, this is one of the top drives you can do in Alaska, so It's supposed to start raining in 2 or 3 hours, and it's supposed to just basically not stop for the next 3 days. So we're thinking about just moving on, although staying here would be really cool.
We're going to eat my watermelon.
Eat your watermelon at the waterfall?
Yeah.
She wants to eat her watermelon at the waterfall.
She wants to eat watermelon at the waterfall.
That's what she said.
So does Miss Jessie. It makes sense.
Oh man, it's cool. So one of the things with Valdez is that these are not actually the tallest mountains in North America, but they feel like some of the tallest mountains in North America because you're pretty much at sea level, and then you've got these mountains that just shoot up. And then you've got the glaciers up to high altitudes, you've got waterfalls coming down. So like, as you're coming through here, I mean, it just feels majestic, but as you come through here, man, it's so beautiful.
Watermelon at a waterfall dance. Go.
All right, you gotta chop it. You gotta like your first.
I am not doing that. Like Gallagher? Was that who it was that used to it?
Help me to dispatch this melon. 1, 2.
Watermelon by the waterfall. Is that good?
It's actually a good one. It is a really good one.
No, that was good.
Really, really good.
Are you super hungry or?
Maybe it's because we're eating in front of the waterfall.
I think that's the trick.
I accidentally ate a seed, Nathan. Know what that means?
Baby watermelon?
On its way.
All the live long day, I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day. All the live long day. All the live long day. I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong.
Okay. Keep digging. It's in there somewhere. Come on. Keep digging.
Keep going.
Oh, here we go. There he is.
Let's go quick.
She's like her mom. She dresses for the occasion or brings the appropriate toys. So the original railroad came through here. The tunnel was never finished. Oh wow, check this out.
Nathan wants to go through there. You going with her?
Oh goodness. Yeah.
The girls made it across there.
Okay.
But
Well, you're gonna have to hold this.
okay.
Come on.
Feet were going. You want to go through? I'm good.
Oh goodness.
Come on. Oh, Hensley.
That's it.
Oh no, it's too deep.
Yeah, you stepped in some water a little bit too deep. I'll just say what Corey said that way, I don't have to blame. According to Corey, he said these are two competing railroads trying to get to Valdez. So they're getting busted through this thing by hand. And then they started what? They shot each other? Is that what you said?
It looks like it. So it ended
Looks
with
like
a-
it. Sounds like
a
something totally
gun
made.
battle.
Oh, it does say gun battle. Feud interrupted progress, a gun battle was fought, and the tunnel was never finished. So, moral of the story,
Don't shoot each other.
yeah, you don't get a lot done.
It says it's all filled with water.
It's all filled with water.
It says, little girls, watch how deep you go with your boots or you might get water in them, right? Probably need more clothes, don't I? Everybody's done one up. What am I doing? It's a pretty nice path coming down the overlook. There is a pretty awesome looking trail up here. Which
You want to do it?
I would love to do it, but it's tough to do if you have one of these. She did make it down here at least.
She looks prepared. I don't know.
She is. She's got her binoculars the wrong way and she's about to walk into her. But
This is called the Ridgeline Trail. It said steep, primitive, and difficult, so I think we might skip that.
yeah, not happening.
Sounds fun.
I did
No.
last year.
Maybe one day.
Layla.
Although we did have some friends that came out here and went hiking, he tripped and fell and landed on his bear spray, and his bear spray went off, and like the wind carried it down, and all his family got hit by it. So they said now they know why bears hate bear spray.
So we started the day overlooking a glacier, thought about camping next to a waterfall, decided we wanted full hookups, but then like we spent so much time stopping and enjoying all those places, we realized, oh, we're gonna roll into full hookups like late at night. Let's just go ahead and just stop somewhere for the night and then get to full hookups tomorrow. So this is where we ended up with this sweet view of the Wrangell Mountains. 2 or 3 of these are volcanoes, some of them are active. Very cool view from here, and it's totally free. So you can just pull off, camp here just like the glacier view we had, just like the waterfall was gonna be. And to me, that's one of the big things about Alaska. Of course, this is the way we camp. This is what we do. This is not the way you have to do it at all. I mean, we're trying to get to full hookups. We enjoy full hookups. There's benefits for full hookups, but there's a drastic difference to us from the Alaskan experience and what it'll do to your wallet on full hookups versus boondocking. And if you're a little bit concerned as far as like safety, like make some friends and go out there like we've done, caravanning with somebody, because you know there's safety in numbers. You can do it that way too, because it's not just a drastic difference in what you see and what you experience in full hookups versus boondocking, but it's also a drastic difference in the price. I think I assumed because when you're in the West or in Texas and places where it's more wide open, like it's usually 30 bucks a night full hookups, but out in Alaska, I mean it's usually, especially if it's somewhere that's like a destination, I mean, you're looking at 50 plus bucks a night for full hookups. That's tough for us to do. It's not so much about the 50 bucks, it's the fact that we know, especially with our batteries and our setup, that for the most part, we're good to go without hookups. Just every once in a while, we want that. What do you do? Is that downward dog? What is that?
No, it's sleeping.
Sleeping dog?
Yeah, snoring dog.
It's the snoring dog?
Yeah.
Hensley, that view's not working. Marissa's getting some dinner ready. She's not feeling too great, but she's, it's hard for her to even make food because of the smells.
I don't like food.
So I may help her with that once
Mom, like
my child stops strangling me. What are you doing? I can't. You can help me finish the video. Hey, we're gonna get some dinner, enjoy the views, and we'll catch you guys later.
Catch you guys later. Okay, Pixie, try to sing. And I'm a puppy, I can walk, and I can play in the snow. I'm a dinosaur, and I can roar, and eat people and eat me.
Good job, dinosaur.
What was that? What? Eat people and eat meat? Is that,
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we're the ones who
Eat people and eat meat.
Oh, okay.